It's the island of Sojourn. Thomas is taking some load. Then deliver it. Okay, Thomas, you need to go backward so that you can unload your load. Okay, then go down to there. Wow. Come up to that. The machine will go to Percy. Percy will take the load. And then it will dump it like that. Wow. Wow. Thomas race against Percy. Hi. And this the man behind all the wheels and the machine is JR. Welcome to Sojourn. Wow, handsome baby. Sodor. Sodor. Hello, Thomas. Small Thomas, and then the other big Thomas. And then the handsome Thomas is here. Uy!
Handsome Thomas.
Is the handsome Thomas?
Yeah, what's that? Handsome Thomas.
How's the work going on? There, there's the loader. Then you check all the load and put there. Wow. Nice fine machine.
Anak, you like to come to church? Come to church, anak.
Wow.
Yay! Ay, ako.
Accident happened.